Don't lose the vision when the going gets tough. You're a champion.
If you stop, then you won't be strong.
I would have ran with you, but I was getting ready for my pedicure. I'm gonna scare Tyson. It won't be easy, buddy.
You guys scared me so bad.
Here we go!
I know, right? Juliana, what do you think about that crazy brother?
He looks like a clown.
Jackson, why are you dressed in gloves, boots, hoodie that's inside out, and a hat? In Florida in the summer.
I'm gonna scare Tyson. He's out there, what's he doing, setting a trap?
He's waiting for a raccoon to come so he can get it with his net. For Tyson's wilderness.
So I'm gonna go out there and act like I'm a burglar.
Yeah?
And scare him.
How are you gonna come up on him? He's like watching for every animal.
Where is he?
He's right behind the house in the swamp area.
Right there?
Yeah.
Like, back facing?
I don't know.
It won't be easy, buddy.
Hey, what are you guys doing?
Responding to comments.
For what channel?
For Sunshine Super Squad.
What's up with Jackson?
What's up with Jackson?
We're gonna go scare Tyson. He's getting his video ready for Tyson's wilderness. We go scare him. You have to stay here. Jackson, when you see him, what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do him and tackle him.
You're gonna tackle him? Are you afraid of snakes?
No,
You're not.
I'm more afraid of mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes? Yeah. Is that why you're wearing all of that?
So he doesn't know it's me.
Okay, let's go. Tyson sees and notices everything. I don't know if he'll be successful or not.
Where is he?
He's by the rabbit cage, I think.
Or should I just run up to him?
I don't know. You have to first find out where he is. Wait. You guys, I'm scared. There's so much crap. There's so many weeds and brush here. I'm scared. He's hiding. He wants to get the animal.
So yesterday, I tried to scare Tyson. He was trying to catch a raccoon outside in our backyard. But when I tried to find him, I couldn't find him, so we actually thought he was in danger. But then we found him hiding behind a tree, waiting for the raccoon. And I was already dressed up, so I was kind of disappointed. So I wanted to make up for that and scare him.
Keep watching to the end of the video so you can see how we gonna get him tonight. Boom.
How you feeling, Juliana?
I'm good.
You tired? You want to quit? That's right. Say, I'm strong.
I'm strong.
I can finish this run.
I can finish this one.
Okay, you were getting ready to run again? Let's run again. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Ah.
You got this. Now you got this. Now we're gonna run faster. You ready?
No. Hi.
I had to find some shade for a second. Still another mile to go. Are you gonna go again the next day?
Yeah.
Wait. Are you gonna go again?
Yeah, I like running. If you stop, then you won't be strong. If you don't stop, you'll be really strong. I'm strong.
All right, you gonna finish this last mile strong?
Are we almost home?
Hey, Sunshine Nation. Keep telling Juliana, we've got about another 100 pounds more to carry around than she does. Shoot, I gained 10 pounds on tour, 10 pounds, and I've lost 4 pounds of it. It's not easy though. doesn't come off easy for me. I gotta work my tail off to get this off. Just because I feel better when I'm at a certain weight. Everyone has their weight where they feel best. Sunshine Nation, if you are striving towards a goal, whatever your goal is, go for it. You know, we get excited when these goals start. We're like, I'm gonna do this. And then it gets tough and we lose our vision. So my message to you today is don't lose your vision. I won't either. Get out there. Do whatever it is. If it's to get a better job, if it's to study harder, as school starts, don't lose the vision when the going gets tough. That's how champions are made. You're a champion. How are you doing? Did you cry a little bit?
Yeah.
Are you glad you did it? Are you gonna go next time, JJ?
Go take a shower, Nana.
Gotta drink some water and stretch, okay? Stretch your muscles. You worn out? Go tell Donnie what you just did. Hey, what are you doing right now?
I am sending out Sunshine Mafia merchandise.
Woohoo!
Hey, listen, if you guys haven't gotten your Sunshine Mafia gear yet, you really need to get it. It's awesome. Everybody's getting it. And guess what? We're coming out with new stuff, new designs, new colors. So keep your eyes open and get onto sunshinemafia.com on the merch page.
Oh yeah, because I'm writing some of it too.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm helping Daddy send them.
You're addressing the envelopes? Wait, Juliana, tell them what you just did.
I ran 3 miles.
You did? Good job, girl. You're a boss. Is that why you have that look on your face? Because you just ran 3 miles with mommy?
Look at her.
Listen, I've run 3 miles with mommy before, and I had the same look on my face after it was over.
Hey, is the guy here fixing our dryer?
He's fixing it right now.
Yay!
Our washer broke, and then we were drying clothes and we realized our dryer was broken. Are you kidding? So we had to get that fixed. And
Our
what
air
else?
conditioner.
Oh, our AC. We had the AC guy had to come and fix our air conditioning. And that was 2 days after we had to take our van in for some recall. So we had to take that in to get it fixed.
I just want y'all to envision at our house with no washer and dryer.
It's ridiculous. We need like 3 or 4 washers and dryers.
With all these kids.
I have my laundry room basket filled and it's in the laundry room, and now my whole place where the laundry room basket used to be is full.
Yeah.
My dream house is just 10 washers, 10 dryers all in a row.
Okay, I'm gonna go check out this washing machine.
Mommy, do you dare Daddy to run?
Yes, I do. Whoa, I'm about to pass out. How do I look?
You look stunning.
Sunshine Nation. And there was a guy at Walmart that stopped me in the parking lot, and he was like, I'm just so sorry. I just have to stop you and tell you, you are stunning. So I told Dave, I need you to tell me I'm stunning every day. So even though I'm looking like this, beat up.
You look stunning.
Hey, Tyson. Oh, you got a big old milk mustache. Okay, Jordan doing the dishes. Tyson, were you sweeping? What I'd like to see.
And I'm football practice today, baby!
And our laundry room, you guys. Holy cow.
Hey, look at this. Look how packed it is.
No way.
It was completely fogged.
That was gonna start a fire then soon.
Yeah,
Right?
it could have. Yeah.
Do you think that's what burned the engine out?
It burned the safety switch.
So guys, we could have saved $150 by cleaning that out sooner. All right, thank you
You're very welcome.
for saving our
Your dryer.
we're drowning in laundry.
Yeah.
Tell them the name of your company.
Flagler Jack's Appliance Service.
There we go.
386-338-8028.
Hey, what's up? We are about to go to get my first pedicure with Mariah. Is it Mariah's first pedicure?
Yes, Mariah's first pedicure. Mariah, why are you getting a pedicure?
The tooth fairy didn't come for a really long time.
For like almost a year.
Yeah,
You've been adding up teeth, huh?
yeah, I had 5.
So what is it that you wanted more than anything?
A pedicure,
Ooh,
because everyone was telling me about them.
yeah.
I'm getting a pedicure because I feel like it is the quintessential
You don't even know what you're about to
penultimate
say.
point of. No, I'm just kidding. It's a late Father's Day gift. Rachel, thank you.
Juliana and Jaden, what are you doing?
I'm helping Jaden read.
So you guys are gonna sit there and read together, huh?
All I wanted was have a pedicure.
Nope, no pedicure for you.
No pedicure.
Now, hey man, your skin's looking nice and shiny. Did Dad lotion you up?
No.
No?
I did my asshole.
We are going to Super Nails.
Super Nails is in the house.
You ready for this?
Here we go.
Whoa, Mariah. It's your dream come true.
that you love?
What about you, Abe? Are you gonna get some color?
Oh, just a little bit. Not really.
Oh, Maya, get this one.
Oh, it's purple sparkle. You know, Jaden knows you.
Yeah, I know you. I want this one. I told you.
Jaden picked it out too. Is it warm?
Oh, yes. Cool, so there are jets in here. Right now the water's moving around, blowing on my feet. It's hot, it's like a hot water. How often do you sit down and actually just soak your feet? How often do you do that?
Was it worth the wait from the Tooth Fairy? You like the royal treatment? Do you have any advice for them for their first pedicure? There's a massage function. How come nobody told you about this? I had a feeling about you. I knew you'd get some good advice.
Massage features.
Yeah, what's it doing right now?
It's chopping lightly. It's like a light chop. Like massaging stuff.
Well, I think you have choices too.
Oh yeah, it's nice. The kneading feature.
Kneading. So your
Remember the
body's
kneading
being
feature?
kneaded, like
Oh,
bread.
Yeah, like I need the kneading.
Yeah. You like it?
I'm helping him read.
Is he listening to you? He's not.
He keeps looking at the TV.
Uh-oh.
What do you think about that, JJ?
She's like, why they have to get his feet? She could have had the cute little girl's feet, and she got the man feet.
I know. There's nothing lovely about these feet.
Get you, world.
Mariah is in a massage chair trance. When you go into the massage chair and you go into a trance.
We've hardly
There
heard her
she
speak
is.
at all. Hey, I have a pumice stone in the shower. How come you never use it?
I didn't know I could use it.
Yeah, you should be using it while your skin's soft, right? Use it every day.
I didn't realize
I
that.
might let you sleep closer to me in the bed. Your feet aren't scratching me up.
See, I didn't realize I was so calloused.
Look at her. She's waiting until he's fully relaxed.
Daddy, can we get a pizza after this?
Sure, honey, whatever you want.
Working it.
No, when you work out as much as I do.
Are you doubting at all that he works out a lot?
Oh.
She's like, I'm not going there.
I'm not saying anything.
The only thing she doubts is that you ever use a pumice stone on your feet.
Yeah. That's facts. Don't stop trying. That's the most important thing.
That's right. I ran 3 miles today.
Yep. Don't get down on yourself because if you only get one workout in a year and a half, that's okay. I would have ran with you, but I was getting ready for my pedicure.
Now he's gonna say, I can't go running.
I need at least a day's rest on these before I can go out again.
They're decent now.
They're decent. She's
See?
not even- What was your favorite part of the pedicure?
They put a hot rag on my legs.
Oh, look at the steam. You can see the steam.
Oh, that right there is fabulous. I definitely feel like a pampered man. I feel like a man. Listen, if you want to feel clean, you need to get a pedicure. Ain't nothing wrong with feeling clean. I'm telling you, every man out there, if you're watching this, you need to get in and get a pedicure. Let's make it a tradition. Every year for Father's Day, we do a pedicure.
That's it? Oh,
She's like, once a year.
this won't work for me.
She's like, how am I supposed to work with this once a year?
I just feel like better, like I got more pep in my step. I can move faster, I'm quicker. Everything is gonna be better because of this pedicure. I'm just telling you right now. That's all I can say. I feel like a new man.
New girl.
Oh, yeah? We chose Super Nails today.
Super Nails chose us. What's up, Sunshine Nation? So apparently there's some unfinished business. Tyson's out fishing right now, and Jackson and I are gonna sneak up on him and scare him. Business finished. Boom. So it's relatively dark outside, or it's just starting to get there. Jackson, you ready? Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna go see if we can hunt him down. Tyson, you're gonna get scared, man. Yeah, we go. Yeah. All right. So this is where Tyson's supposed to be fishing down there, but we don't see him yet. So we're gonna try sneak up. So listen, let's sneak up over here. We gotta sneak up over there real quick. Alright, so we can see him now. Let's see if I can get him in the camera. He's right there. So you can kind of see him. Right there. He's been spotted. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait till his face is turned the other direction. And then we're gonna try to make moves closer to him. Alright, so we got a little bit better position. Just a little bit closer. Alright, I know you can't see us because it's really dark out here, but we just ran behind another tree. Jackson is right there, getting in position.
He almost got a hook to the face.
What did you do when you saw him?
I started swinging my thing at him.
I could barely see it. Jackson, did he get scared?
He's like, oh! He tried to hit me with the hook.
I saw him grab his hook. Did it scare you?
What? Yeah, I was like, someone's trying to come and grab me or something.
Did you ever think that you were gonna jump into the water?
No, I'm not about to jump in the water. I'm about to whack him with my 3-hook thing. I started swinging. You're lucky I didn't hit you. That would have hurt.
I'm glad we got him.
We started out over there and then we hid around all the bushes and trees over here all the way up to here. And then Jackson snuck up right here.
That's messed up. That's messed up. You guys scared me so bad. I was just chilling out here fishing. I was wondering when Jackson was gonna come, and then all of a sudden I hear someone yelling and running up with the hoodie on. Y'all got me pretty good. I was scared. I thought someone was about to come jump on me.
That's
But
funny.
I had his fishing pole and I was swinging at it.
All right, let's get out of here. Good job, Jackson. They were trying to scare you last night, bro.
Oh yeah, but I saw them.
You did?
Yeah.
Where were they?
They walked right through the backyard and I heard them shut the door. And I turned around and I saw them all coming out. I saw Jackson walking with the bat and the mask. I saw Mom with her camera light on. I was like, what are they doing?
I figured you'd be pretty hard to sneak up on out in the woods.
Yeah, it probably would have been harder for them to find me.
Spread sunshine!
My name is Haley, and I just want to say you guys are my inspiration for me to keep trying. And also, don't forget to spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine. We love you, Sunshine Nation.
Spread sunshine.
Spread sunshine.
Thank you.
Thank you.